Good morning, Kevin, John, Capgemini, and audience. Thank you for the opportunity to present my digital transformation business case. This strategic recommendation is grounded in extensive industry research and stakeholder analysis with the goal of positioning Ambulant Victoria as a digitally empowered, patient-centric emergency service. Today, I'll walk through the strategic context, identify problems, and a targeted roadmap to deliver smarter, safer, and more connected care for all Victorians. Ambulant Victoria is the state leading provider of emergency pre-hospital care and medical transport, serving over 6.6 million Victorians through a network of more than 260 branches and over 6,000 dedicated staff. AV responds to over 2 million incidents annually, operating at the front lines of urgent and non-urgent healthcare across Victoria. Its purpose is clear. By 2028, AV aims to become a world-leading ambulance service, not only in terms of clinical excellence, but also in workforce experience, patient outcomes, and the strength of its partnership across the broader healthcare system. However, demand has grown exponentially, driven by aging population, chronic illness, and rising public expectation. In parallel, systematic challenges such as resource constraint, technology fragmentation, and workforce fatigue are placing pressure on operational resilience. So these factors make digital transformation not just timely, but essential, ensuring AV can continue saving life efficiently, equitably, and sustainably. Ambulance Victoria 2023 to 2028 strategic plan outlines four pillars: people, patients, impact, and connection, with a bold vision to become a world-class, digitally enabled emergency service. Now, I'll walk you through a bit of our insights, our finding. Pastel SWOT. External pressure are accelerating. Pastel analysis highlight rising healthcare demand from an aging population, growing expectation for digital health innovation, workforce regulation, and fiscal constraint. Technological disruption is both a challenge and an opportunity, especially with AI, Internet of All Things, and telehealth reshaping pre-hospital care. Internally, the SWOT analysis shows a strong clinical capabilities and a track record of innovation, but AV also faces critical weakness: outdated legacy system, workforce fatigue, and limited interoperability across health systems. This gap threatens service responsiveness and operational resilience. To address this challenge, a focused digital transformation strategy is needed, one that reduces avoidable transport, relieve frontline pressure, and enhance system-wide coordination. Which we have concluded our problems. We have identified five core problems. First, inefficiency use of emergency resource. Over 65% of non-urgent 000 calls could be safely diverted from emergency transport, yet too often result in ambulance dispatch. A fragmented digital system. Legacy platform are outdated and siloed, preventing real-time data sharing and integration with hospital. Workforce burnout. Chronic overtime and reform fatigue are eroding morale and increasing staff turnover risk. Lack of AI and data-driven decision tool. While internationally benchmark shows AI can dramatically improve dispatch accuracy, AV remains at an early maturity stage. Lastly, limited interoperability. There is no unified digital health data infrastructure linking AV with hospital, ads, and primary care providers. To ensure a value-driven digital transformation, we evaluate five initiatives. First, more initiative. We use the impact effort metrics, come it down to five, and using a structured comparison table across six key dimensions: strategic alignment, innovation, feasibility, infrastructure readiness, risk, and overall impact. Which we've concluded three, telehealth and virtual care expansion emerge as the top recommendation. It scored very high on both strategic alignment and overall impact, with proven success in diverting 65% of low acuity calls, relieving emergency department pressure. It also benefits from its existing infrastructure and a low risk profile. Secondly, AI-driven dispatch decision support score very high for innovation and offer long-term transformation in critical care response. However, its implementation is more complex with higher risk profile, making it a secondary initiative for phase piloting. Third, the EPCR 2.0 and Health Data Hub is a foundational enabler. Receiving very high alignment with AV clinical data excellent goal, it provides the infrastructure backbone for data integration, predictive analytics, and improved continuity of care. Other initiatives such as the smart workforce management and public ambulance tracking app offer moderate innovation and impact, but were not prioritized due to lower strategic value or limited system-wide transformation. So the top three initiative, our recommended primary initiative is the telehealth support and virtual care expansion, which directly addresses Ambulance Victoria twin challenging of rising service demand and system strain. This initiative builds on AV existing success in video-assisted triage and virtual ED, emergency department services, which have already diverted over 65% of low acuity calls, freeing up emergency crews and reducing unnecessary hospital transport. What makes this initiative compelling is its high feasibility and low risk profile. The foundational infrastructure is already in place, and trial data confirm both clinical safety and patient satisfaction. The expansion will involve scaling trials capacity, enhancing digital referral pathway, and embedded teleconsult capabilities directly into CAD and paramedic workflows. Ultimately, this is a high-impact, high-readiness initiative that delivers both immediate system relief and long-term sustainability. Both the telehealth expansion and the AI dispatch pilot are deeply aligned with AV 2023-2028 strategic plan, directly supporting its four core pillars. Under people, the initiative help reduce the frontline fatigue and optimize workforce allocation. For patients, they enhance access to timely, appropriate care, whether through home-based telehealth or faster AI-assisted emergency response. In terms of impact, both initiatives contribute to improve operational efficiency and system-wide sustainability. Under the connection, they advance digital interoperability with hospital and stringent coordination across Victoria Health System. Together, they also activate AV core digital enablers, innovation, research, and sustainability, paving the way for a more resilient and tech-enabled future. Let's discuss the benefits of our recommendation. The telehealth and virtual care expansion deliver high impacts benefit for Ambulance Victoria across multiple dimensions. Again, operationally, it divert over 65% of low acuity calls from emergency dispatch, preserving frontline resources for life-threatening cases. Financially, it reduces transport and ED congestion costs, making the system more efficient and scalable. From a patient perspective, it enhances access to care, especially for regional communities, by offering timely treatment in the comfort of home. These benefits are not isolated. As shown in our benefit dependency network, they are enabled by target outputs like expand virtual ad coverage, community education, and enhanced triage capacity. This output requires change in workforce training, interagency coordination, and system integration. The result? Tangible and strategic outcomes that map directly to AV goals, improve patient satisfaction, reduce ambulance demand, and stronger system sustainability. In short, this initiative is not just a digital upgrade, it's a transformation engine that unlocks enduring systematic value. While the benefits of digital transformation are significant, Ambulance Victoria must navigate several key challenges to ensure successful implementation. Internally, legacy systems pose interoperability issues, limiting the scalability of eCPR and AI tools. Workforce fatigue and resistance stemming from reform overload also remain major hurdles, especially when introducing new technologies like AI. Additionally, recent leadership turnover has weakened change continuity, underscoring the need for strong government structure. Externally, expanding the digital infrastructure introduced data privacy and cybersecurity risks, particularly under involving state compliant laws. Regulatory uncertainty around AI in clinical dispatch add further complexity, as does the integration of AV platform with broader hospital and statewide health system. Understanding this challenge allows us to design a targeted risk mitigation strategy, which I will walk you through next. To ensure a smooth rollout, we propose 5 key mitigation strategies. First, phase implementation. Gradually expand telehealth and pilot AI in shadow mode for safe testing. Second, change management. Engage frontline staff early, provide training, and highlight early success story to build trust. Third, cybersecurity and compliance. Follow weak gov standards with encryption access controls and data governance. Leadership and governance. Establish a digital transformation office reporting to AV executive. Lastly, interoperability. Adopt FHRI standards and strengthen coordination with virtual EAD partners. Ambulance Victoria's transformation strategy is grounded in 4th Industrial Revolution technologies that improve responsiveness, data accuracy, and care coordination. We highlight 3 enablers: AI, Internet of Things, and blockchain. Machine learning and natural language processing will assist in faster, more accurate emergency triage, particularly in detecting critical conditions like cardiac arrest. IoT, by connecting mobile device and ambulance to EPCL 2.0, AV can share real-time vitals and location data with the hospital for smoother emergency department coordination. A blockchain is considered for future phases to enable secure consent-based data sharing between AV, hospital, and third parties. Equally important is data utilization. Pre-implementation data will train and benchmark AI system, while real-time outcomes and telemetry will fit into AV Health Data Hub for predictive insight. Critically, we emphasize ethical compliance, ensuring AV meets privacy standard, eliminate AI bias, and leverage sustainable, scalable cloud system for long-term impact. Our roadmap outlines a phased rollout for telehealth and virtual care expansion between late 2025 to 2026. In Q3 and Q4 2025, the focus is on interagency agreements, workforce upskilling, funding security, and community engagement. So early 2026, introduce system integration, embedded virtual EAD into 000 triage, CAD, and EPCR alongside initial AI routine trials. By mid-2026, we scale statewide and launch a shared outcome dashboard to monitor impact, tracking metrics like transport avoidance and patient satisfaction. Finally, end of 2026 Q4, we evaluate system performance, publish the business case, and align with future policy to embed telehealth into Victoria Healthcare framework. To sum up, Ambulance Victoria is at a critical inflection point, scaling telehealth and virtual care, supporting by AI Dispatch and EPCL 2.0, the data hub, offers a high-impact, feasible solution to ease system pressure, improve patient access, and future-proof emergency services. The roadmap is clear, risks are managed, and strategic alignments are strong. We invite Capgemini and AV leaders to champion this transformation by endorsing the roadmap, enabling partnership, and driving execution. Now is the time to act, delivering smarter, faster, and more connected care for all Victorians. Thank you so much.